Hello everyone, Jonas here from Jonas Tries Anything. Today, I'm gonna try having my kids cook their own food. Why? It's a life skill. It's a good skill to have. And who knows, you might be a professional iron chef in the future. Then you could feed me good food at a very discounted price of $0. Right? Look at the technique here. It's putting the pan away from the fire a little bit so that it won't burn. Awesome. Iron Chef skill 101. Cook with the fire on your frying pan. Alright. Give it a little tap. Is it firm? Yeah? Alright. If it's firm, then what does it mean?
Cooked.
Awesome. Alright. This is Jonas. Thank you for watching my son cook his scrambled eggs. Hopefully no one dies today. Give the video a thumbs up if you like this, and please subscribe to our channel, Jonas Tries Anything. Appreciate you guys' support. Have a good one. Till next video. Peace out.